So Dehancer is a film emulation plugin that offers a wide variety of tools, such as grain, halation, bloom, but also 63 film profiles with different print, and much more that you can use to achieve a film look that you want to go for. I just want to make a quick disclaimer that I am not a professional colorist. This is just something that I do as a hobby. I've been using Dehancer for about 2 months now, and I would say that Dehancer is a beginner-friendly plugin that is suited for a variety of users. I've only shot on film once, using expired film on my grandmother's old Yashica camera. But there's something about film that stands out. The softness of the image paired with grain, halation, and bloom makes it look like a memory. Right, so I'm gonna show you guys how I use Dehancer to achieve the film look that I want to go for. So I usually just use 2 nodes. So the first one is to transform my footage to X709. So this video was taken with my Sony ZV-10 using the HLG3 picture profile. So I'm just gonna convert it to X709, and then I use the second node to apply the Dehancer plugin. Right, so the first thing that I like to do is to choose which film stock that I want to use. So as you can see, there's a lot of different options, but in this video I'm gonna go for the Kodak Vision 350D, and after doing so I move on to the print film, and I usually like to go for the Kodak Endura glossy paper, and then I like to lower the exposure just a tiny bit, and then increase the color density. And moving on to the expand tab, I like to lower my black point to make it look more faded. So yeah, we're gonna move on to my favorite part, which is to play around with the film grain, halation, and bloom. And for this video I'm gonna go with the 60mm look for all of these 3. So let's start off with the grain. So we're gonna choose the 60mm ISO 250, and with the halation I'm gonna go for the 60mm as well, but as you can see it's a bit overwhelming right now, so I'm gonna lower the amplification to make it more subtle. And the same goes with the bloom, so I'm gonna choose the 60mm and just lower it a tiny bit. So yeah, as you can see, it's already a huge difference between how it was before compared to now. And you can also create LUTs with your settings, which I really like. And then there's also a lot of other tools that I haven't used in this video. But yeah, as I mentioned earlier, it all depends if you want to spend hours color grading or just a couple of minutes like I showed you.